More rain. Oh, go away. On the ferry today. Just want this rain to go away. Rain. Well, we're flogging down outside. We may as well let the boys have a sleep in. We've only got a short ride today, and since we've got everything dry, I just don't want it getting wet again. From Nelson Bay, we'll go across on the ferry to Tea Gardens, and from there we're going to head up to Mungo Brush, where we'll camp tonight. From Mungo Brush, we're going to go up where it says on the map there, road closed, into the Myall Lakes National Park. We'll head up the old Gibber trail and the mining trail out onto Seal Rocks Road to Bungwall. Then we'll go through past Smiths Lakes, Pacific Palms, up to Forster, and that'll be our stop for the next leg.
Is that the ferry that we're going on, Dad?
Yep.
How are we going to fit the bikes
I don't know.
I don't want money. I don't want cars. I don't want money. I don't want cars. You are, I'm the best, is too fast.
Well, geez, that was better luck than management. If we hadn't got those bikes on top, I don't know what we would have done. It was a long way round to go up the freeway. But anyhow, all good. We're on and we're ready to go.
That you built from my doubts. I don't want money, I don't want cars. I just wanna be free and to keep it 100. All these scars are what make me me, and I'll drink to that if you'll lift a glass in the hopes that one day we'll be something different.
Here we are in the beautiful little town of Tea Gardens on the Myall River. We'll head across the bridge to Hawk's Nest, turn left for Mungo Brush, about 20 k's up the road, as we head into Myall Lakes National Park. So heading into Myall Lakes National Park, we'll get there for an early afternoon and be able to have a bit of a look around. And thankfully no breakdowns today.
Come on, let's try.
This road is just heaven compared to what we were on yesterday, the narrow shoulders coming into Nelson Bay and up Nelson Bay Road. Just, it's just nice, just a lovely flat ride, enjoying every moment of it. Campsite, day number 3. How you doing, Locke? Cooking up a feed, noodles, all done. There he goes. Cam's down there fishing. This is it, Mungo Brush. So after setting up camp and a quick snack, we'll go and have a look around. We'll jump on the bikes and just head up, I think it's called Tomboy Trail, and then might come back and have a look at the rainforest walk.
I don't want money. I don't want you are, I'm the best, is too fast. The truth, got the business you said. You are the weeds that won't go back. The strings of my head, I think you know that. You miss you till like right now. Cause you never know who inside this. Yes, you pull them till like right down. My lies that you built from my down. I don't want money, I don't want cars. much about love and trust, 'cause I only know about us, and we were never good, resentment was plentiful. So how destruction was inevitable. And this ain't the thing that you've been trying to do. This is the type of thing that made me curse you. Type of thing that made me not give if I hurt you. Not give a damn that I hurt you. I don't want money, I don't want cars, I just wanna be free. And to keep it 100, all these scars so what make me. And I'll drink to death. You'll lift the glass in the hopes that when they will be something different.
Now it's trying to go.
So raise your eyes to crimson skies. Lay down your disguise. Embrace your design. So I swear I never give you love. Line in the poem and that no melody will never carry your memory. It's on, but this from deception feels just like home. 'Cause every day you laugh, it's all that you know and more than.
How you feeling, Cam?
Good.
Good? Good night's sleep?
Yeah, might be driving with a bit of fatigue, but
Driving with a bit of fatigue. Yeah, wanted to get up early this morning because it's going to be a warmer day, and probably got about a 70k ride, and from memory the track is a bit sandy, the old mining trail. There's a few hills involved as well, so from there we'll head on to Forster.
we've been up for about 2 hours.
Yep, we're good. So more drizzle in the night means another wet pack up. Early morning, getting out of Mungo. Boys are up ahead, we'll swap some bikes. We'll head up the old mining track and Gibber trail, and that'll take us out onto Seal Rocks Road, where we'll turn left and head up towards Forster. Okay, get in there, Lock, help him. Wait, I'm going to have to get here. Okay, done.
I just wanna be free and to keep it 100. All these scars are what make me me, and I'll drink to that if you'll lift the glass. And I'll be sad when they won't be something different. Let's set the devil, yeah, let's see. So raise your eyes to crimson skies.
say making good time from the old Gibber trail. We'll get up here, you hook a left, and then you're on to Mining Road, which will take you all the way through to Seal Rocks Road.
I don't know much about love or trust, 'cause I only know about us, and we were never good, resentment was plentiful. So how destruction was inevitable, and this ain't the thing that you return to. This the type of thing that made me curse you, type of thing that made me not give if I hurt you. Not give a damn that I hurt you. I don't want money, I don't want cars, I just wanna be free.
Well, geez, with a bit of rain, a fair bit of rain over the last couple of days, I thought it was sand, but it's clay, and this uphill we were soon slowed down. When we get off here, our main aim is going to be finding water, because my mistake, we didn't really prepare too well for water.
Here we go, Locke. About 7.5 k's from Seal Rocks Road. Yeah. We do need water. Looking for Myall. Don't worry, I've got pewter tabs. Some Mungo Brush water. Let's just keep pushing.
Reaching the end of the track, it was time to head into Myall.
Sort of deception feels just like home, 'cause since the day you left, it's all that how you've known it for the most part. I bleed you from my soul, but sometimes my hands they move without my control, reaching through the darkness for someone to hold when I know damn well that I'm better off alone. 'Cause you try to tell you everything, first bridge your course, and I curse your name until my voice rang hoarse, and I was ready to leave. After the course until I lose the broken heart and corpse. I don't want money, I don't want cars, I just wanna be free, and to keep it 100. All these scars are what make me, me. And I'll drink to that if you'll lift a glass, in the hopes that one day we'll be something different than the glimpses that the devil let us see.
With all batteries dead, we didn't get a chance to film any of the ride from Myall into Forster.
I don't want cars. You are, that I'm the best is too fast. The truth, wrapped up in excuses. You are the weeds that pull their group back. The strings upon my heart, but you know that. 'Cause you pull them, yes you pull them till I cry out. 'Cause you never felt comfortable with silence. Yes you pull them, yes you pull them till I bite down on the lies that you built from my doubts. I don't want money, I don't want cars, I just wanna be free, and to keep it 100. All these scars are what make me, me. And I'll drink to that if you'll lift the glass, in the hopes that one day we'll be something different than the glimpses that the devil let us see. So raise your eyes to crimson skies. Lay down your disguise.